I know this is an unpopular opinion, but your looks do not matter as much to women as you might think, at least when compared to this one skill. Because if you want to build deep connections, attract women, and truly stand out, you've got to master the art of storytelling. And guess what? Even if you're not the most verbally gifted, especially if English isn't your first language, I'm going to show you how you can still use storytelling to your advantage and make women attracted to you. When you first approach a woman, she's sizing you up. Is this guy interesting? Is he someone I want to get to know better? That's where storytelling comes in. The ability to tell a good story isn't just about being entertaining. It's about revealing the deeper layers of who you are. When you're in the initial phase of meeting someone, what I call the B phase of the ABCDF system, you're focused on bantering, using humor to break the ice. But once you move into the C phase, or comfort connection, that's where the conversation becomes more balanced and she starts to take on more of the load. That's when you bring in storytelling. Why? Because storytelling is the bridge between surface level attraction and deep emotional connection. Think about it. She doesn't know you beyond what she can see, like your looks, your clothes, maybe a quick joke or two. Let's say you're a firefighter. You can't exactly show up to every date and there's like some burning building that you can save a child from, right? That's where stories come in. A well-told story can reveal your protective side, your ambition, your creativity, traits that she can't see just by looking at you. It's about filling in the blanks of your personality. And as she gets to know you through your stories, she begins to feel more comfortable with you. She trusts you and ultimately wants to connect with you on a deeper level. But here's the kicker. Storytelling isn't just about the words. It's about your eye contact, your energy, your tonality, your comic timing. It's a dance. And just like dancing, it requires calibration to her reactions. Some stories should be short and funny, while others might be longer and more profound. The key is to be in tune with the moment and adjust accordingly. Now, if you're ESL, or English, is a second language, like many of my Asian students, then storytelling can seem daunting. Your verbal skills might not be as strong, but that doesn't mean you still can't tell a compelling story. Instead of focusing solely on words, lean into your emotions. Use your body language to express what words can't. A well-placed pause, a smile, or a gesture can say more than 1,000 words. Just like my student Daryl, an international Chinese student who struggled with a heavy accent and lacked dating experience in the US. After just 2 days of our ABCs of Attraction bootcamp, he pulled his first American girl by applying the drills we taught. He saw firsthand how Asian masculinity, paired with the right storytelling techniques, can completely change the dating game.
Under the instruction of JT, I approached that girl in nightclub and I started talking to her, and we sit down, we started flirting each other, and I did sexual escalation, and from there I can feel the girl was into me. So just under this vibe, I asked this girl, do you want to go home with me? And finally I did it.
Don't forget, storytelling is a skill you can practice and improve over time. The more you do it, the better you'll get. And the more comfortable you become in those moments when it's time to reveal the real you. So the next time you're on a date or even just chatting with someone new, remember this. Storytelling is your secret weapon. It's how you go from being just another guy to someone she's genuinely interested in getting to know. If you want to dive deeper into mastering this art and learning how to calibrate your storytelling to the moment, I'm here to help. I'm JT Tran, and I've taught at Harvard and Yale and been featured on NBC, ABC, and more. I coach single Asian men on how to meet, attract, and date the women of their dreams through a holistic method. Check out The Academy, our online training program with over 50 hours of advanced lecture videos, including drills on storytelling and knowing what to say to women. And most importantly, our in-field demonstration videos where we show you interactions with real women that works with storytelling. You can try it risk-free for 30 days, no strings attached, and it won't even cost you a single penny. Just like we helped Daryl have more attractive conversation with women, we can help you turn your dating life around. The link is in the bio. Don't wait. And don't forget to like this video and follow me for more tips on self-improvement, confidence, and dating success.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you liked it. And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and watch all our other videos. Great news too. Every Monday, we'll be putting out a new weekly video. That's right, we've got educational seminars, street interviews, fun in-field pickup videos, and anything else we can come up with that's fun for you guys to watch. So check back.